Hello everyone, today we are going to learn basic REST Commander tutorial, how to combine lines into one. So as example, you can draw the line objects in it, and if you click, it will be automatically spread lines. If you want to combine these all lines, you can use the join command, type join, press enter, and then select all lines objects, enter again to combine. So if you select, the line will be changed into the polyline. So I will create again line at this point. Now if you want to combine between polylines and line, you can use join command again, press enter, select all objects, enter again to combine. Okay, that's it for basic REST Commander tutorial, how to combine lines into one. If you have any question about tutorial, you can comment below this video.